guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm just out in the garage today wrapping up some routine maintenance on my 2021 850 Max XT. I changed both front and rear diff fluids, did a minor adjustment to my shift lever, and installed a synthetic winch cable. And I'm at the point now where I want to reset the maintenance required reminder that's coming up on the display. I wanted to clear up some confusion that I'm finding online, because if you're like me and Googling is faster than going and digging out your owner's manual and finding the answer that way, you're going to be in for a world of frustration trying to reset the maintenance reminders on both an 850 like this with the 4.5-inch display and my 650, which has the smaller, more basic, just a multi-function display. The procedure is very different for both of these. So if you're looking online and you're seeing directions for turning headlights on and off 3 times within 2 seconds and holding down buttons, that's the procedure for something like this with the multifunction display. If you have the 4.5-inch display or the 7.6-inch display on a 1000 machine or an XTP, then it is much more simple than flipping through and doing headlights. The procedure is right in the menu, so I'm going to walk you through it here quickly just to show you. Now, I'm not going to be able to see that menu option because I've already cleared it on my machine here, but all you need to do is when you're in your main screen here, your bottom button, cycle through until you see settings. I'm going to hold down and select settings, and right there, if I hadn't cleared it already, reset maintenance would show up right there. All you would do at that point is hold down that bottom button for a couple seconds to select that option, and your reminder's cleared. So if you're struggling to figure out how to reset that reminder, and you have one of these bigger displays, flipping through your headlights within 2 seconds is not going to do it for you. So just go into your menu, reset it that way, and it'll be saving a lot of frustration for you. So hopefully that was helpful, guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.